Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dia Trismayanti dengan nomor induk mahasiswa A1D521005. The Department of Educational Administration learns about an overall process in the field of education, which includes planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, monitoring, financing, and reporting by using or utilizing available facilities and human resources. The goal is that the education system process can run effectively and efficiently. The purpose of education administration to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of the implementation of educational operation in achieving educational goals. In particular, the administration of education in schools to prepare the situation in schools so that education and teaching in them take place well. As the name implies, students will learn about administration in the world of education, so they can open up career opportunities. After then being a teacher, students will be directed to study the process of integrating all activities related to educational institutions. The things learned relate to planning, directing, coordinating, evaluation, and much more. Next, about educational administration is the process of achieving educational goals. Of course, by paying attention to the education component and paying attention to the education system. Of course, every country has its own education system. That's why every system in a country to a country is different. In the participle, this education system acts as a supporter and facilitates the teaching and learning process. The purpose of educational administration is to create production effectiveness, efficiency, adaptability, and build job satisfaction. Basically, education as a subsystem in order to achieve the goals of a national education, where the education administration is also responsible for forming and producing quality and beneficial students for the nation and for the state. I chose this major because the knowledge learning has a very important role in supporting the management of schools and educational institutions in Indonesia. Through this department, we have the opportunity to improve the quality of the management of educational institutions in Indonesia. The job prospects are broad and varied because educational institutions start from the most basic level to the tertiary level, and there are formal and non-formal forms. The department provides students with professions about entrepreneurship. For those of you who, if you want to be entrepreneurs, we can establish and develop your own tutoring institutions. Administrative science can actually be applied in various fields, not just education. I'm also interested in this department because the job most sought after by graduates of the Department of Educational Administration is to become an education supervisor. This profession is included in one of the lists of CPNS requirement formations held by the Indonesian government. Education supervisors can be at the regional or provincial level. Furthermore, another career option is to become an educational planner. Educational planners can be placed in the planning department of schools, educational institutions, and universities. The next professions that can be chosen after graduating from the Department of Educational Administration is to become an education manager, such as being a staff in the field of personnel and administration. Its main task is to take care of and manage manage all matters relating to the administration of Kent educational institution, be it public or private. After graduating, I want to be able to work in the field of education either as an administrative staff or administrator, as well as a supervisor. Besides that, I also want to have expertise to build my own education-based company because I already know the administrative science is not difficult if I really want to set up my own educational institutions. Opportunities to work in the Ministry of National Education or other government agencies are also very wide open for graduates of this department. Also, I have the opportunity to become school principals with the insight and knowledge gained during college. It is hoped that it can be put to good use to advance schools. Other job options are researcher and librarian. Researchers who make observations related to scientific studies of education in Indonesia are also very much needed, while the task of a librarian is to manage the library so that it can be maximized.